project is ready on pronoun. Now before we start, I have to tell you all two things. First is, regarding these pictures, I have drawn them. You all can take a printout or a cutout from the old books or magazines. But make sure you all take 3 pictures same. That is, if you're making for a girl child, you take the 3 girls same, or if for a boy, take the 3 boys same. Or if it is made by a teacher, make sure that you take 3 pictures same. This was the first thing. And then the secondly, I have used velcro dots in this project. But if you all don't want to use velcro dot, what you all can do is you all can write the pronouns on a paper and take the cutouts. To make it more sturdy, you all can use a thick paper, a chart paper, so that handling them will be easy. And then you all, instead of a pronoun box, you can make an envelope and give a title as the pronoun envelope and keep all these pronouns inside the envelope. So whenever then you all are practicing with your kids, you can remove these and then the kid can keep it in the right place like this. And I like to do it in this way so that it becomes quite interactive with a kid. We can also ask some question. They can use their brains as to which pronoun goes where, and they understand the concept in a more clear way. So now without any further delay, let's dive into the pronoun project. Now over here we have to ask the question as to what pronoun you will use from the pronoun box to talk about yourself. So if a child knows what pronoun they will use, then they have to just remove from here and put it over here. If they don't know, then we can give them example, like let's see if the name of the girl is Swati. So how she will talk about herself? She will say that my name is Swati. Swati likes to go to school. Swati likes to play chess. Swati likes balloon. So many times we are repeating the word Swati, and we know pronoun is used to avoid repetition of the noun. So we can frame our sentence like my name is Swati. I like to go to school. I like to play chess, and I like balloons. So you will use the pronoun I over here. Then regarding the boy, what pronoun you will use in place of a boy? So the child has to remove from here and he will put it over here. You can give example also that this is Rahul. Rahul goes to school every day. Rahul likes to play cricket. Rahul is a good singer. So there's a lot of repetition of Rahul, and instead of that we can just say that this is Rahul. He likes to go to school, he likes to play cricket, and he is a good singer. But now over here we have to keep in mind one thing, that we are not going to replace the noun in the first sentence. We are going to keep the first sentence intact, like this is Rahul, and then we have to use the pronouns that he likes to go to school, he likes to play cricket, so that the sentence is meaningful. Now coming to the next, here we are going to ask that what pronoun will you use from the pronoun box in place of a girl? So the child has to see over here, find where is she, and then put it in this box. Then coming to the next pronoun, you are going to ask that what pronoun you will use when you are talking to someone in front of you. So that is the pronoun you. So now here we will ask that what pronoun will you use when you are with one or more than one person. So the child will remove from here and then put it in this circle. Then over here we are going to ask the pronoun used when there are more than one person. So that pronoun is they. Here you can give the example like Pam, Sam, Tam are good friends. Pam, Sam, Tam go to school together. Pam, Sam, Tam have their lunch together. Pam, Sam. So many times we have to take the names of each of them. So instead of that, we can only say that Pam, Sam, Tam are good friends. They go to school together. They have their lunch together. So this is the use of a pronoun. It makes the sentence simpler. Then coming to the next category, that is the place. Now I have taken the same example what I have taken over here in the nouns project of the school and the Pacific Ocean. So now this is the Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean is the biggest ocean. Pacific Ocean is the deepest ocean. Pacific Ocean has many sea animals. So now instead of using this Pacific Ocean word so many times, then ask a child what pronoun can be used. Then they will put it over here, saying that Pacific Ocean is the biggest ocean, it is the deepest ocean, it has many sea animals. After this, when there are more than one places, we can use the pronoun they. Now here I have taken the example of school, like school A, school B are the big schools. School A, school B are in the same city. School A, school B have more children. So instead of repeating this again and again, school A, school B, we can say that school A, school B are the big school, they are in the same city and they have more children. Then after this comes the animal category. If there is only one animal, we will use it, like the frog is green, frog is cute. Instead of that, frog is green and it is cute. And when there are more than one animal, we are going to use the pronoun they. So here I have taken the example of the rabbit and a pig. Now here, if we know the gender of the animal, we can use he or she. Now for example, this is elephant Jumbo. He likes to eat banana. And in the same way, if the cat is a female, then we can say that this is the cat called Mau. Then we will use the pronoun she loves to drink milk. Or if it is a male, that is if the name is Pogo, then we can say this is the cat Pogo. He loves to drink milk. So this was about the animal. Then comes the last category, that is the thing. Now here you can ask about the pronoun which is used when there is only one thing. So it will be it. Then when there are more than one things, then we are going to use the pronoun they. So we can say that blocks, ball, teddy bear, racket, truck are my toys. Then we can, instead of repeating them again, we can say they are very colorful. So in this way, pronouns are really helpful as they avoid the repetition of the noun. So this was all about the pronoun. Do let me know in the comment box about the video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up, do share the video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such videos. Till then, this is Amrapali signing out. Happy learning pronouns and happy growing up with your loved ones.